Video solution to a 2-mark question that appeared as part of the sample paper given by CBSE for Class 10 Math, academic year 2019-20. This question appeared in the basic version of the paper. Question number 26, a polynomial question. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. A teacher asked 10 students to write a polynomial on the blackboard. These were the responses by those 10 students. First question is, how many students wrote a cubic polynomial? Second question, divide the polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 and find out the answer. Start with the first one. What's a cubic polynomial? A cubic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 3. What do we mean by degree 3? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial, if it is 3, such a polynomial is called a degree 3 polynomial or a cubic polynomial. Let's quickly run through all 10 responses and check out which all have the highest power of the variable as 3. The highest power here is 2, so this is not the one we are talking about. Highest power is 1. Highest power is 3 in this case, so this is a cubic polynomial. Let's put a tick here. This one also, the highest power is a 3, so this is a cubic polynomial. The highest power is a 2, highest power is 1, highest power is 4, highest power is 2, highest power is 3. We'll take this one too. Highest power is 4. So of the 10 students, 3 students had written a cubic polynomial. Quickly summarize it in a printed form. These are the responses for what is the degree of the polynomial. 3 of these cases, as we had seen in the last slide, ended up being a degree 3 or a cubic polynomial. Let's move to the second part. We need to divide the polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. Couple of ways of going about it. The first one is a long division method. Let's finish that first. The second one is a factorization method. So first one, x square plus x plus 2x, plus 1. This is being divided by x plus 1. The first term of the quotient is going to be an x. So x and x will multiply to leave us with an x square, and this term can be eliminated. So x times x is x square. X times 1 is equal to x. Subtract this from the polynomial. X square gets cancelled with x square. 2x minus x will leave us with an x plus 1. Now here we have an x term here. Multiply this with a 1. Take the second term of the quotient to be a 1. 1 times x is an x. 1 times 1 is a 1. So this will cancel out to leave us with 0. So what is a quotient? Quotient of this division is x plus 1. The remainder is equal to 0. So when x square plus 2x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, the answer is x plus 1. This is a long division method. Let's also do it using the factorization method. So here we have x square plus 2x plus 1. The product of the first and the last term is an x square. The sum, the second middle term has to be broken in such a way that the sum works out to 2x and the product of those two components becomes x square. So this will split actually as x square plus an x plus x plus 1. So it adds up to 2x, the product is x square. So we know this. Take x as a term common from the first and the second term, so that will leave us with x plus 1. 1 as a term common from this, so that will leave us with x plus 1. X plus 1 as a term common from both these will give us an answer, x plus 1 times x plus 1. This is equal to x plus 1 the whole square. So we have x plus 1 the whole square. This we are dividing it by x plus 1. X plus 1 the whole square and x plus 1, one of the x plus 1 in the numerator will get cancelled to give us an answer which is equal to x plus 1. The same answer that we got with a long division method. Quickly summarize both these methods in a printed form. Using the long division method, first term of the quotient is x, leaves us with x square plus x. These two will get cancelled. 2x minus x is an x. Bring the 1 down. So again, second term of the quotient is a 1. Gives us an answer, x plus 1 minus x plus 1, which is 0. So the remainder is 0. Quotient is equal to x plus 1. So the answer is x plus 1. Factorization method, we're going to split the middle term. Middle term splits as x plus x. 2x becomes x plus x. So it will factorize as x times x plus 1 plus 1 times x plus 1, or x plus 1 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole square divided by x plus 1 is going to give us an answer which is x plus 1. Before you leave, do 2 things. Sign up at online.maxtute.com for CBSE online coaching for Class 10 Maths. It takes less than 5 minutes in all of 3 steps to get started. And do one more thing. Subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/maxtute, and spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.